I've installed Python 3.11, now let's see how to uninstall it from your system. Method 1. Press the Windows key and type Add or Remove Programs. Open the settings window that appears. In the search bar, type Python. You'll see the list of installed Python versions, including the Python launcher. Click Uninstall on both. Method 2. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. This opens the Classic Programs and Features window. Find Python in the list, select it, and click Uninstall. The process will begin, just wait a few moments. Now Python is uninstalled successfully. Once uninstalled, you can verify in Windows command prompt. If you see a message like me or show Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, it means Python has been successfully removed from your system.